I wish to inform the House that one of our members, Honorable Member Shri Vishwajit Pratap Singh Rane, has resigned from his seat in this House with effect from 16th March 27th afternoon. The next agenda is the election of the Speaker. Following nominations have been received by Goa Legislative Secretariat for the election of the Speaker. Dr. Pramod P. Sawant, proposed by Shri Rajesh Patnekar and seconded by Shri Glenn J.V.A.E. Souza Tiklo. Dr. Pramod P. Sawant, proposed by Shri Ramkrishna M. Dhavrikar and seconded by Shri Manohar T. Asgaonkar. Serial number 3, Dr. Pramod P. Sawant, proposed by Shri Vijay Sardesai and seconded by Shri Rohan Kaute. Serial number 4, Dr. Pramod P. Sawant, proposed by Shri Govinda Gowde and seconded by Shri Prasad Gaonkar. Serial number 5, Shri Alexo Reginaldo Lorenzo, proposed by Shri Luigi Inbab Faler, seconded by Shri Chandrakant Kavrekar. The first motion proposing Shri Pramod P. Sawant, I declare has won by a majority of the House, that is 20 supporting the motion and 15 opposing the motion. I hereby declare that Dr. Pramod P. Sawant elected to the post of the Speaker of the House and offer him my hearty congratulations. हांव माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर बाब पर्रीकर आणि लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन श्री चंद्रकांत बाब कवळेकर हांकां रिक्वेस्ट करता की आमचे आतांच इलेक्ट जाल्ले हावजाचे सदस्य डॉक्टर प्रमोद पी सावंतांक तांचे स्पिकराच्या सिटार घेवन येवचे.
ह्या 5 वर्सांचो म्हटलो फाटलो अनुभव आणि ह्या सगळ्या अनुभवाच्या बळाचेर परत एकदा सांखळी मतदारसंघातल्या सगळ्या लोकांनी म्हाका ह्या विधानसभेत धाडलो आणि तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी मेळून ह्या सभागृहातल्या पवित्र मंदिराच्या सभापतीच्या खुर्चेचेर आज म्हाका विराजमान केला. ह्या पवित्र सभागृहाचे मान आणि शान राखपा खातीर सदोदीत म्हाजे कडल्यान प्रयत्न जातलो.